Bangladesh's former leader has been sentenced to death for crimes against humanity. So who is Sheikh Hasina and how did we get here?
That is sentence of death.
This was the moment crowds cheered and clapped as the verdict was read aloud and broadcast live on state television. She wasn't actually there for the trial. She fled to India in August last year as her government was overthrown. The 78-year-old was found to have ordered a deadly crackdown on a student-led uprising last year. The United Nations said up to 1,400 people have been killed in the violence. Tensions are running high in Dhaka and many other parts of Bangladesh, with paramilitary border guards and police out on patrol. In the lead up to the verdict, at least 30 crude bombs, explosions and 26 vehicles were torched across Bangladesh. Meanwhile, Hasina's political party, the Awami League, have called for a nationwide shutdown as part of a protest against the verdict. Sheikh Hasina is also the aunt of former UK government minister Tulip Siddiq, who resigned from the Treasury job at the start of this year. Tulip Siddiq has faced calls to step down over links to her aunt and is also facing a corruption trial in Bangladesh. Allegations that she denies and has described as a farce. Sheikh Hasina, who ruled the country for more than 20 years, was ousted in last year's July uprising and has called the tribunal a kangaroo court and refuted all charges against her as trumped up by her political opponents. She said the process was a sham trial and engineered to produce a preordained guilty verdict. Though an appeal can be made to the Supreme Court against the judgment, prosecuting lawyers have said that according to the law, a convict would need to be under arrest or have surrendered to file that appeal, which looks most unlikely for the former premier to return to Bangladesh anytime soon.